Kill diabetes, eat this wonder fruit, black jamun, healthy village food. Jamun is a nutritious seasonal fruit found in abundance in Asia. Jamun is a delicious fruit rich in vitamins and minerals, eaten as a healthy snack in many parts of the world. The black plum has antibiotic features which helps to convert starch into energy and keep our blood sugar levels in check. It reduces the symptoms of diabetes like frequent urination and thirsting. The fruit's iron content acts as blood purifying agent and it is good for skin and beauty. It is used to treat digestive disorders such as diarrhea. Jamun is known to enrich blood and also protect from liver damage. Take some jamuns in a bowl, wash them, add some salt, mix well and some water, again mix and keep them aside for few hours. Later remove the water and take jamuns. By taking these jamuns regularly, you can reduce your blood sugar levels. Say goodbye to diabetes without any medications. Diabetes is one of the most common diseases nowadays. It's a lifelong condition resulting from the body's inability to use and store the form of sugar called insulin. This metabolic disorder affects the way human body uses digested food for energy. The hormone insulin produced in the pancreas helps the absorption and use of glucose for energy. So, if your body is not able to produce enough insulin or use it effectively, it will lead to diabetes. Anyone can develop diabetes as there are many factors that can cause this health condition. Some of them are obesity, hypertension, high cholesterol, physical inactivity, and the major one, genetics. The risk of diabetes increases as we get older, so people over the age of 40, especially if they are overweight, have more chances of developing this disease. Unfortunately, type 2 diabetes is adolescence is becoming more and more common health problem. This is mostly due to the inactive lifestyle followed by unhealthy diet in most adolescents nowadays. Although officially there is no cure for this lifelong health problem, there is a way to control it and thus lead a normal life. You can try this natural remedy before you go with insulin shots, but if you are already taking it, try to lower the amount and stimulate the function of your pancreas. This homemade remedy will flush out the excess fluid from your system and normalize the levels of blood sugar in your body. All you need is just 2 simple ingredients that can be found in most kitchens right now. Required ingredients: a leek with roots, liters of water. Now, let us see the directions. Wash the leek with roots thoroughly. Then empty about 2 ounces of the bottle with mineral water and put the washed leek with the roots in the bottle. Leave it there for 24 hours. After this period, drink the water from the bottle throughout the whole day. Prepare another dosage once you finish the first one. By doing this regularly, you can reduce your high blood sugar levels in a short period of time.